Changing out your old wiper blades is essential in helping keeping you safe on the road in adverse conditions, like rain and snow. But recently, I've noticed this rubber strip starting to peel off on one of my wiper blades, which will prevent the wipers from working its best. So it's definitely time for these wipers to get replaced. Starting with the passenger side, to remove the old wiper blade, flip the wiper over, and if you look closely, you'll see a little tab. Push in that tab and pull down on the wiper. Now we can remove the old blade from the arm. This WRX uses a 9x3 inch J-hook with a 26 inch wiper on the driver's side and a 16 inch wiper on the passenger side. To install the new wipers, slide it in through the front gap of the blade with the rubber strip facing away from the windshield. Rotate it so the wiper is parallel along the arm. Then ensure the adapter piece is aligned properly and pull up on it. When you hear it click, you know it's secure. Now we can just repeat the process on the driver's side. With the arm in the air, flip the wiper over and find this little tab. Push it in and pull down. Then just remove the wiper blade from the arm. Grab your 26 inch wiper blade and slide it over the arm with the rubber strip facing away from the windshield. Rotate it so the blade and adapter is aligned properly and slide it up along the arm. And just like that, our new wipers are ready for whatever weather, whether rain or snow. If you found this helpful or informative, please be sure to leave a like and consider subscribing for more automotive content.